Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic that's crucial for anyone serious about video editing: Adobe Premiere Pro versus Apple Final Cut Pro. With 2025 rolling in, both of these powerhouses have gotten some exciting updates, so let's break down the key differences to help you decide which one fits your workflow best. First off, let's talk user interface. Adobe Premiere Pro boasts a highly customizable workspace that's perfect for complex projects. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, tons of tools at your fingertips, but it can feel overwhelming for beginners. On the other hand, Apple Final Cut Pro offers a sleek, intuitive design that's more straightforward and user-friendly, especially if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Think of it as a smooth sports car versus a rugged SUV. Next, features and performance. Premiere Pro excels in integration with other Adobe apps like After Effects and Photoshop, making it ideal for professional workflows involving motion graphics or color grading. Plus, with 2025 updates, it's rumored to have enhanced AI tools for smarter editing. Final Cut Pro, however, shines in native Apple Silicon performance, handling 4K and 8K footage like a dream, and it includes advanced tools for multicam editing and color correction right out of the box. If you're editing on a Mac, Final Cut Pro might edge ahead in speed. Now, let's get to pricing and compatibility. Premiere Pro operates on a subscription model through Adobe Creative Cloud, which means ongoing costs but access to the latest features. Final Cut Pro is a one-time purchase, making it more budget-friendly in the long run, but it's exclusively for Mac users. That's a biggie. If you're on Windows, Premiere Pro is your only option here. Finally, which one should you pick? It really boils down to your setup and needs. If you're all in on Apple devices and want simplicity, go with Final Cut Pro. For cross-platform flexibility and a vast ecosystem, Premiere Pro is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video.